Look at what happens to Laura. She gets into the car, turns the ignition on, but the odometer display starts blinking. The Bluetooth doesn't connect to the phone. She tries to start the car, but the battery is gone. Bye-bye. Quickly, we need to bring the car to a garage. Unfortunately, just a few people know that you can fully solve problems with Blue&Me without buying a brand new part. Today, you can have it repaired with a 100% guarantee, saving a lot of money thanks to DIPA Sport. We are among the very few in Europe being specialized in the overhaul of Blue&Me and infotainment. The product is returned to you as good as new, ready for installation in just a few hours. DIPA Sport, saving you money with quality, 100% guaranteed. Ask your local spare parts shop or garage for DIPA Sport products.